In whispers of Neville, a truth takes flight. Imagination's wings, a boundless light. Beyond the confines of mortal plight, a tapestry awaits, woven by you so bright. Imitators of God, a canvas vast, where thoughts take form and dreams are cast. No limits bind, no chains can hold. Just choose your wish, let stories unfold. Remember Eden, a garden of bliss, where every desire found sweet, fragrant kiss. That power remains, etched deep within, to sculpt your reality where joy may begin. Want sun-kissed beaches or mountains bold, palaces gleaming or stories untold. Close your eyes, feel the wish ignite, let vibrant details come into the light. Each whispered phrase, a magic spark, builds your castle, leaves its mark. From barren desert to fertile ground, imagine the seeds where abundance is found. Don't let doubt whisper its sting and its ache, for faith is the fuel, a fire to make. Believe in the dream, hold it ever near. The world you desire will soon appear. So rise, dear friend, cast off the chains, unleash the magician, break free from mundane. In Neville's whispers the secret lies, imagination's kingdom, where wonder never dies. Choose wisely, beloved, for the power is yours, to paint your tomorrow beyond closing doors. With each vivid breath and each hopeful sigh, your life, a masterpiece, painted by your own eye. Now go forth, dear dreamer, with wings unfurled, claim your birthright of magic, own your own world. For in the garden of the mind, the choice is clear. Be imitators of God, and make your dream appear. Dear viewers, join us on this quest. Subscribe now, and put your faith to the test. Discover the secrets, hidden in plain sight, to unlock your potential, shining bright. This poem incorporates the influence of Neville Goddard's work, highlighting the power of imagination and our ability to shape our reality through conscious choice. It invites viewers to close their eyes, tap into their deepest desires, and paint their own masterpiece of life. By emphasizing the limitless possibilities available to us, the poem encourages both inspiration and personal empowerment.